Hello rail fans, and welcome back to another French Fried Trains Minecraft build showcase, where we look back at some older builds newer subscribers might not know we've done. And today we're looking at a UK steam locomotive that is very famous, the LNER Class A3 Flying Scotsman here. And this is what it looks like. And it was one of the earlier steam locomotives I did, but I think it turned out pretty good. And as with all my builds, there is an interior, so you can come inside the cab here, and you can see the firebox. And one thing I was most proud of on this build is we actually have the functional walk-through tender here, so you can pass through the tender and get to the back of the train without ever leaving the train here. And as with all of these showcase videos, I already have a tutorial video for how to build this train up on the channel. So if you want to build this, I will have that video linked in the description here. Now, like I said, this is one of my earlier steam locomotives, so I would probably build it differently now. I would definitely make these driving wheels bigger if I had to do it again, but it still turned out okay. So go ahead and build this train. Thanks for watching.